If you're trying to build muscle, you need to understand protein synthesis. Let me explain why. Protein synthesis is the process where your body repairs and builds muscle fibers after a workout. Think of it as your muscles recovery team, patching up and growing stronger every time you hit the gym. But here's the catch. This process doesn't just happen on its own. You need the right conditions, like proper nutrition and rest, to make it work effectively. So, how does protein synthesis actually work? After you work out, your muscle fibers experience tiny tears. This triggers the body to start the repair process. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein, rush in to fix and rebuild those fibers, making them bigger and stronger. But here's the thing, your body needs enough protein to do this. That's why post-workout nutrition is key. Eating protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, or plant-based proteins gives your body the fuel it needs to complete the process. Remember, protein synthesis is what turns your hard work in the gym into real muscle growth. But it's not just about working out, it's about fueling your body with the right nutrition, especially protein. Want to dive deeper into how it all works? Check out the full article linked in the description for more information. Get ready to take your muscle gains to the next level.